More than meets the eye or meets imagination, yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just...
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jazzy Styles. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. As you guys see down below, this is going to be another entrepreneur video. We're going to be making a different type of hair growth oil, y'all. I'm excited for this, a new hair growth oil that I'm bringing to my hairline for my business. As you guys don't know, if you're new here, I do entrepreneur videos. I do hair videos. I do clothing hauls. I also do a little, day in the life of or whatnot or whatever. But this one here in particular is going to be an entrepreneur video, and particularly on hair growth oil. So I do have this hair growth oil here that I made, and it has a bunch of great things up in there that is good for the hair. I've been using it for a while. I'm so excited here to bring it to you guys, to share it with you all. If you want to purchase from me, or if you want to make it yourself, this video is going to be everything you need and measurements and all. So yeah, so this one is going to be the hair growth oil. So in this hair growth oil, we have neem powder, chabad powder, and also horsetail powder, along with great carrier oils that are great for the hair. And I would explain that into the video of what each item does and what it can help with your hair and everything like that. If you're looking for a specific thing that was going to help your hair grow, straighten your hair, or get rid of dandruff, this is the oil for you. So like I said, this is going to be another entrepreneur video, and if you want to see how I got this oil, then please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so as you've seen in the clip before, when I started the video, I said that I was going to be making a hair growth oil and also a hair butter. So today, these are the items that you're going to need. We have some black Jamaican castor oil here, some kukui nut oil, some rose hemp oil, some fractionated coconut oil. I have some olive oil here, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and the powders we're going to be using is neem powder, chabad powder, and horsetail extract powder. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so we're going to get started. I have some hand sanitizer here. Rub that on my hands. Get my gloves. We're going to start off with the oils. I have 1/4 of a cup. I have a 1/2 cup, measuring cup, and I have 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we're going to start off with the olive oil. I'm going to do the 1/2 cup. Going to do a 1/2 cup of the grapeseed oil. Going to do a 1/2 cup of the sweet almond oil. going to do 1/4 of a cup of this Jamaican black castor oil. One-fourth of a cup of this kukui nut oil. One-fourth a cup of this frozen oil. One-fourth cup of this fractionated coconut oil. Try to get all those oils up out of there. Y'all, these oils are not cheap. I am also going to do a video on all the oils and where I purchased them, where I got them from. Most of them I got from Amazon. I will be putting the links in in this video. I will put the links, but I'm also going to do a video on all the oils that I have. Okay, so I have this 1 teaspoon of this chebe powder I'm going to put in here. Sorry for the music, the sounds in the background. I'm gonna get my napkin and wipe that off so none of the excess won't get into none of these packs here. I'm gonna get the horsetail extract powder. Wipe that off. And now I'm going to get the neem powder. And if you guys never heard of these powders, they work wonders. This neem powder is like a green looking powder. That horsetail was like a beige looking powder. And the chebe powder was black. Go ahead and mix this up. You want to mix it well. This is how it's looking, y'all. Get all these clumps and stuff up out of there. I have a pot with water already boiling over there, so we're just going to sit this in there and let it boil for about 30 minutes. Alrighty. All right, you guys, so I'm doing a voiceover to come on here to give you a little bit of insight on the powders that I use. If you guys don't know, well, I did a little bit of research, and from what I've read here about horsetail, so horsetail does come from a huge tree-like plant that thrived over 400 million years ago and during the Paleozoic era. Now, this is a close relative of the fern. And horsetail is a non-flowering weed found throughout parts of Europe, Asia, Middle East, and North America. Now, the benefits of horsetail, it does contain silica. Now, silica promotes and strengthens hair and prevents thinning. Now, this also reduces dandruff and improves the elasticity of the hair fibers. Now, as far as the neem powder, neem is a natural herb that comes from a neem tree. Now, the extract comes from the seed of the tree and has many different traditional uses. Neem is commonly sold in oil forms, extract, powders, and supplement forms. Now, the benefits from neem. They have different type of great properties as far as antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that helps get rid of dandruff. It is also rich in antioxidant that helps slows the growing of gray hairs. This powder also helps strengthen your hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Now, as far as the chebe powder, now the chebe powder it comes from a place or a tribe in Chad Republic in Africa. And this powder is made with cherry seeds, lavender, resin, tree sap, cloves, and stones. Now, the benefits from chebe powder, it helps reduce breakage and shedding, hydrates and nourish your hair. It also improves moisture retention in the hair strands. So we're going to get back into this video. I hope they helped out a little bit for you all who did not know where these powders come from and what they help with. You can also do your own research and find out more things because they does have more great properties that these powders offer. So let's get back into this video. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I took the oil off of the fire, well, the boiling water, the double boiler. As y'all can see here, the oil is loose than it was before. I let it sit for 30 minutes. It's been cooling. I'm gonna let it cool for about 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna extract the oil from all of the powder that I put in here, because you don't want that powder to get in your hair. That's gonna be a rough time getting it out. So I do have a cheesecloth here that I purchased from Amazon. I will link that below. I also have some scissors and a mason jar. You can buy these at Walmart, or you can buy them online. Alright, I'll be back after it cools a little bit. So while that cools off, we're gonna go ahead here and cut this cheesecloth. It is a big piece of cheesecloth. It is, so it's like 4. I butchered this the first time I cut this, but it still works. So I'm gonna cut like this big of a square here with the 4 layers. Oops, not in the camera. So it's gonna be the 4 layers here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, y'all, so the oil is done cooling down. I put a little hair tie around the jar to keep the cheesecloth in place. So now we're just going to start extracting the oil from the powders that's in there. As y'all can see, most of the powder was left behind, which is good. Want to carefully pull this off. Squeeze the oil up out of there. I'm going to strain it again to make sure that I get most of the powder up out of there. But this is just a little bit that came up out of there, which is good because, like I said, most of it was left in here. And here is how the oil is looking. I really don't see anything in here, but I'm going to strain it again with the cheesecloth just to be on the safe side. Okay everyone, so this was 24 hours later. The rest of the powder that was left in there that didn't get caught by the cheesecloth had sunk to the bottom of the mason jar, which was not that much at all, and also good. So let your oil sit for at least 24 hours or a few days, and the rest of the powder will seep to the bottom. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share, ask questions, you guys. And if you do try this out, tag me in it on my Instagram account at jazzy_styles_cosmetic, or on my other one at jazzy_jo1. All right, y'all. Later.